right? Loaded with.
Some people like football. Some people like volleyball. Some people like cycling. Raise your hand if you're ready. Raise your flag if you're ready. When you're ready. Tell me you're ready when you're ready. Tell me you're ready when you're ready. Blow the whistle if you're ready. Raise your hand if you're ready when you're ready. Yes, fans, this is your sports sign. Tell me you're ready when you're ready. Tell me you're ready when you're ready. Raise the flag if you're ready. Blow the whistle if you're ready when you're ready. Tell me you're ready when you're ready. Tell me you're ready when you're ready. Blow your whistle if you're ready. Raise your flag if you're ready when you're ready. Some people like baseball. Some people like softball. Some people like horse racing. Some people like golf. Raise your hand if you're ready. Or blow the whistle if you're ready when you're ready. Raise your hand if you're ready. Blow the whistle if you're ready when you're ready. Yeah. Spin the coin if you're ready. Ring the bell if you're ready when you're ready. Yeah. Shoot the gun if you're ready. Ring the bell if you're ready when you're ready. Ready, yeah. Ready when you're ready. Yeah. Raise your hand. Ready. Ring the bell. Ready when you're ready. Raise your hand. Ready. Spin the coin. Ready when you're ready. Ready. Ring the bell. Ready when you're ready. Raise your hand if you're ready. Blow the whistle if you're ready when you're ready. Yeah. Raise your hand. Ring the bell when you're ready.
Yeah. 1, 2, check. 1, 2, check, pop.
Yeah. Like 1, 2, yeah. Yes, indeed.
Yeah. How is that? Good.
Yes, it sounds good. It sounds 1, 2, yes, indeed.
All right. What we on doing? What we on? This is another edition of the Uncle Pocket Sports Show right here on 91.7 FM Diver, Gary from our radio station. I'll bring it to you live and direct into your living room on Facebook on the radio 91.7 FM. Man, Pocket, how was it, man? How the weekend gone, man?
Well, the weekend gone good. We can't complain. Everything gone okay, wonderful. Yes, indeed.
Yeah, everything gone good.
You know him did, yeah, right? You know him go give, right?
Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's sports, Rampart Sports, a lot of activities happen over the weekend.
Over the weekend, correct. Yes, man. You know they get that.
You know, when the youngest MC in the world talk, I can't say nothing. All right,
Yes.
this is the guy. All
Well,
right.
we are start off. Good night. My name is Manane. Everyone know Paki is with the live and dying for Gary Funa Radio Station 91.78. You don't know me the yam, right? Nah, support bring everybody together, right? Yes, indeed. Yes. Sunday inside Mango Creek, they have all the teams there who participate inside Runner Cup. 6 teams we play inside Mango Creek. 3 games. Game 1, Garage and Napolis. That game went 2 goals to a garage, knock off Napolis.
Alright.
Game 2, Pomona Impact and Via Vista. Via Vista knock off Pomona Impact 1-0.
Wow. Look like two of our team from down south, from in the up north here. Get knocked off, no?
Yes, in game 3,
Game 3, so 3 game.
RC and San Roman. That game went 2-2. He got a penalty. San Roman knock up RC. But RC advanced to the top 4.
Nice.
Best loser, but they advanced.
So we got 4 teams remaining for the Rado Cup
Yes,
happening this weekend.
yes, inside man correct. That is Garage, San Roman, and Via Vista alongside RCFC.
So we got 1 team from the north.
Yes,
Perfect. So yeah, we will be there for sure. You know, we had our Shaka competition happening on Saturday and Sunday when we get up, man. We were tired, man. So we couldn't make it, but this is the final is coming up, and we will be there at the
Michael correct. Yes. Moving on. Boy, semi-pro play over this weekend. Leg 1 for the final championship. Port, they gonna San Pedro, and they gonna do what they have to do. They knock out San Pedro. 3 goals to 0.
No, you cannot. In the Premier League of Belize, which is the highest level of football in this country, and you know how football is a very unforgiving sport, whereby you're up 3-0 right now. You have a second leg coming up.
Yes, second
You never
leg.
know what happened. You never know. You remember what happened to Beaton Bakaton with your homeboys? They win the whole season, the regular season, and get knocked off in the playoff.
Yes.
That's how football is. So you gotta count. You can't count your egg before it hatch. So the Premier League of Belize, ladies and gentlemen, and we got 1 more leg left. That's between
Port and San Pedro now play at Belize City Maran Jones Stadium.
that's on Saturday, I believe. And they play the game on Saturdays. Is it Saturday or Sunday?
Sunday.
Okay, Sunday. Sorry about that, Paki. Go ahead.
Yes, moving on. Boy, the Mayors Cup. The Mayors Cup. It come to an end Friday, we got November 29th. The Mayors Cup come to an end. Game 1, the third and fourth matchup. Game 1, November 29th, we got Game 1. YG Concord. The game went 4 goals to 2. YG coming third. And for close 2024 Mayors Cup, playing the Jet Proper Fix against Art Young and Upstart RCFC. And RC end up for win the cup. But then the title they call RCFC, then the champion for 2024-2025 Mayors Cup. Action. RC take it.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, again, the Mayors Cup was one of the most successful Mayors Cup I have seen in a long time, and they will play for $10,000. The Mayors Cup action was $10,000 for the winner, $5,000 for the second place,
And 3,000 to third place.
and they all the prizes was out there. You cannot say, you know what I mean? Everybody get their prizes, so you can't complain. $10,000. Thank you very much, Paki.
Yes. Moving on. The Daifa Chaka competition will gone place November 30 at Island Bar and Grill. Boy, it gone good. Big up the champion. Back to back champion. His name is Civic Casemiro.
I think you have the back-to-back. He's only a back. Civic haven't won a championship in a long time.
Oh.
He's not back-to-back champion.
Well,
He was the first one who won it, but you have Fidel that won it before. You have
Yeah.
Rydell that won it before. You have
my bad guy. Big up.
Massa, Trizane back to back. That's Trizane, and then Civic. So, yeah.
Yes, big up the third place, Jen. But Jen the wonderful.
Really wonderful, man. I think that Jen have a lot of potential in this competition. From my observation, I'm not a judge, but you know, when it comes to the freestyle, that's where Jen needs to
Practice.
practice more on the freestyle.
Yes, big up Jen. Big up One Seater, second place. And first place, Civic Casemiro. Civic coming first for the Taifa Shaka competition.
Again, it's a
Civic it is king for the 2024 Taifa 9th annual Shaka competition.
I have to agree with you, Paki. I have to agree with you on that. And these young men work hard. Even Kajani,
Yes, big up Kejani.
Solomon,
Yes,
these guys came out and rocked. They put the all. And I big up to yourself, too, Paki, as official bellman.
Yeah, man.
You know, you reel up to me, I reel up back to you, I reel up to you, you reel up to me.
Yeah, man, with the real up.
With a reel up, but the thing gone good. It's 2
Got
minutes.
good. Yeah, 2 minutes.
And then we got to 3 minutes after that.
Yeah. Not a freestyle, not a freestyle.
You're right, the freestyle.
Well, moving on. The 5,000 clash that will be held on December 14, 2024 inside Mighty Karama Stadium. 8 teams participate inside 5,000 clash.
That's it.
That will be Pomona Impact, RCFC, up in the Pioneer, Belize Youth 17, Beaton, Pacatown, Santa Cruz, and Via Vista. 8 teams will meet next week, the 14th of December, inside Mighty Karama Stadium.
Exactly. And again, ladies and gentlemen, be looking out for the second division tournament. That's
I know you're going to do that, I made it.
Alright, sorry, but go ahead, Paki, go ahead.
We're not done yet. Moving on. Why? Long time we don't got things that make go check. Been a while we don't got things that make go check. Taifa, the fourth, second division, red that big go check field and not side.
Yes, thank you very much, Paki. We're gearing up for the second division tournament.
And that will start when?
That will start January 5th.
Why? Only
January 5th. Second division football.
January 5th, red that Bengal check. Field.
I want to say hi to the mayor. He's on right now, Robert Mariano. Thank you very much for tuning in. And thanks for cutting the field. Thanks for putting the sun. So this weekend, we're going to work this weekend and spread the sun on the field.
Yes, because next month, second division, register, check.
Yeah, registration is $100 for the and that is to pay the referee for every game. So we'll use that money to pay the referees. Because the referees they don't ref the games for free. At the second division tournament, it'll be held right here, right in Benguche area. So teams register. The flyer will be coming out very soon. You know, we want to get at least 8 teams. So every weekend, Saturday and Sunday, we keep this field
active.
Correct.
Friday, Sunday and Saturday and Sunday, right about the field. That for the whole second division.
Second division comes alive in Benguche area.
Why? Oh,
you know,
they can't wait.
The Mayor's Cup done gone already, and then we hope to start it as soon as possible. Back, you know, because the mayor is committed, the town is committed to having football roll and its regular schedule. Because Mayor's Cup always happen in February or March, right?
Yes.
So we can't pass that this year. We try to start on time.
Early.
Better. And bigger.
Bada. Why you know they get done?
No. So
then moving on December 7th. That be this weekend. Everybody on making way up. Russell Tristan Garcia.
What's happening there?
The Mayor's Cup basketball will start December the 7th.
This weekend right there?
Yes.
Kudos to the mayor again, man. His council.
Big up Mr. Robert Mariano and his crew.
His councilors.
Yes.
Will you get all that stats from Pampa?
You don't have to know.
Alright. Good on.
Then big up Battle I Jump, big up Independent High School coming first. Second place, then Chilean Group. Yes. That's it for sports.
That's it for sports.
Yes.
All right. The man said that's it, ladies and gentlemen.
We get all another. We give everybody the whole update, right? We don't forget nothing.
How about ping pong tournament, billiards tournament, pool table tournament, anything?
Yeah. Nothing with that.
All right, the man not here, nothing. So, again, ladies and thanks to our sponsors, the city sponsors, Be Love Chicken, the man sell chicken and eggs, right? Jungle Fire from Bitters, BTB, and Village Youth Foundation. Thank you very much for all the sponsors, right?
Yeah.
And again, look out for the Junior International
Soccer competition. Christmas Day.
Christmas Day. Oh, a lot of guys, don't call me already.
I know why.
Don't call me already. And the defending champion will be there. You know,
Who
and it's a female that won it.
Oh,
Naisha. She will be there.
Jen will be there.
Jen will be there.
Why?
Dubu will be there.
Why?
Who else will be there? We still contact Chick son, Francisco guy.
Yes.
Chick, you know Chick from Umagarugo. Right? So we have a lot of contestants for the youth. We never lack of that. So it's going to be big. Right?
Yes.
What I said, Michelle Castillo, she's saying, yeah, pool table tournament soon at Abaisene. Alright, so we're coming out for that. We will, as long as they contact us, Paki,
We'll be there.
we'll be there.
We will show the live.
We will share it, we will show the live. So just contact us, pool table tournament soon at Abaisene. Why? That'll be nice.
That'll be nice.
That'll be nice.
That'll be nice.
We did a tournament out at Pomona one time at
Gizmo.
Valley Pride Bar and Gill.
Yes.
So we could definitely do one here.
In Dangria.
Alright?
Well, that's it for sport. See you next week, Monday, same time, same place. Jack or doesn't say.
The man said we got, ladies and gentlemen, so we gotta go. Alright, thanks again for tuning in. Remember tomorrow night, tune in tomorrow night from 7 to 8. Charlie and myself will give you, you know how we do it. So that is a big show tomorrow, right? Then you have on Thursday, tune in Thursday for the WhatsApp show with Ethan and Rejan. So we have a lot of shows coming up, a lot of shows. Alright? Thank you very much. A short show tonight. Ayo.